Yep.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to me fixing another basic ass thing on a car. This time it's a hood release because for 2 years now I've been having to use vice grips to grab the wires that hang out of the hood release just to be able to pop the hood. And the wires finally frayed out to beyond being able to grab them anymore. Like 2 years ago, originally the handle broke, and so then I just had to use vice grips, and then that's all I've been using since. But yeah, now it's to the point where I can't grab any of the fucking wires, and so I can't pop the fucking hood. So I got the Dremel, because that was my first idea, and I'm gonna attempt to cut the plastic housing around the wires just so I can be able to pop the hood and then replace it with a whole new wire, because I have one that's inside. I just didn't grab it because I gotta fuck with this first, and I'm not excited about this. I have faith I can eventually do it. It's just I don't know how long it'll take and how much finger tear it's gonna take and all that shit. And it's a hot day and I'm outside. I'm not in the garage today. I'll throw the camera down a little bit, get on the ground. I guess we'll cut plastic. Oh boy, did I mention I'm not excited to do this. Mainly because it just looks, I don't know if you can really tell. This piece is right here, the one that usually holds the wire to pull it. But wires usually come out of here and there's nothing. There's the feeling of an end of a wire, and that's not good enough. So now I need to find something for fucking cutting, and I don't even think I have that. Let's go, I guess. I don't. This thing needs more weight to it, so I don't have to hold it with 2 fucking hands. Alright, I'm at wires. Now what I'm gonna do is fucking attempt to... Where'd the vice grips go? Motherfucker. How did I lose the vice grips? I'm stupid, they're right fucking here. So what I'm gonna do is take the vice grips and try to break this piece of plastic off. All I'm trying to do is expose the wires enough to where I can pull them. There we go, okay. And then the hood's popped. Alright, here's the moment of truth. We got it to where I can pull them. Trying to make it tight enough. Okay. Clamp down on them. Hold the wire back a little. This isn't tight enough, I can tell you that. Not trying to strip them again and fuck myself here. Alright. Clamp down on them. Real tight. Hold the wire back. There we go. She's pulled. I don't know if you heard it, but it popped. After like 4 or 5 days. Nah, like 4. She's finally popped again. Now we're good to tear up all this and pull the fucking front bumper off and rewire it and dig through the cowl up there. So let's probably take a break, wait for Clayton to get off work, and maybe he'll be here when I start again, but we'll see. It's Clayton. It's been like 2 months since he's been on the channel. Alright, we're getting into it. What did I do last? I got the hood open, that was it. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take the fucking bumper off because it needs done anyways. And then we're just gonna jump at pulling the fucking cord through. It should be basic-ish. It's pretty simple, take it off, replace it. But as with everything, 10-minute job is 30 minutes, 3 hours away, whatever. Alright, camera died while we were fucking with the bumper, and we just kind of came to the conclusion that we don't want to, the buttons aren't really wanting to work with us on the fender well, so it'd be a bitch. But it said in the video you had to take the headlight out, but from what we can tell and see and feel with the cord, we don't really need to. We can feel it out. We just need to be able to take this out and stick our arm down into there. That's about it for that, but we're gonna take this out, so we're gonna get on that. Let's push this spring my way. Yeah. And then, oh my god, tight fit on everything. Why Dodge? Pull it through that. That was a lot. I did that so much quicker than he did in the video. Hire me 1A auto. Wait, there it is. That's it. Shitty cord, can get the fuck out of here. That's off. Strings in there. I'm gonna get under the dash and start pulling it slightly through, kind of undoing it, and then I guess you just kind of feed it through. Remember where it goes. Undo these clips. There's one down in there. There's another one down in here. And then there's like a boot you gotta push through the firewall, and it's right here. Hard to see. But back to the floorboard. I have to take this carpet out. Hold on. It said that in the video too. And oh my god, didn't say how much of a bitch they were. Didn't say how much these fucking fighting flies are being. Oh my god, they're literally flying or fighting. Yeah, you're feeding it now. Well, hold on.
Yeah, I was feeding it.
I gotta take these carpet things out and they're being a bitch. Oh, you just pull them straight down. I see it. Feed me.
Hold on.
Here, now you guys can kind of see how shitty it used to be. Like that. Absolute ass. I don't know where the wire went because it was sticking out. I had to cut that down to that.
Got caught.
We're caught on something.
Here, I'll push down on this. Or if I can, like, yeah, I can't do it.
Push.
Can you get a finger behind the wire somewhere in here?
And
Possibly. Like, get it under it.
and
try to scoop it out. Yeah, if you can.
I got a finger under it. I'm pulling out.
There it is.
There. Okay. Ta-da. Okay. Pulling it more.
Yep, go ahead.
Eventually the boot is what's going to hold us back, so I got to pull that through. I'm pulling tight on it.
One more.
Oh! We did it. That hurt? Sorry. Yeah, I got gloves in there. Fuck, should have been wearing them.
I'll just pinch it.
There it is. The shitty one. All I'm excited for is that I have a handle again. Because that shit broke off like 2 years ago. Pull it through. Well, pull it through the dash, right?
Yeah.
Alright, make sure I'm not retarded. Nice! Wire is being eaten. Got it? Yeah, you just pull it through. Oh, you're stuck. Jiggle it. Alright, you're almost at the boot now. So yeah, just let me pull that boot through.
Yeah.
And then that's where we'll be at. Oh, I think it's pulling through on the bottom a little too much. No, wait. She's in there.
Yeah.
Yep. In the correct spot that I think we can. Oh. It fed down and it goes through like this thing right here.
I was trying to find it.
If I can grab it, I will. Push this down a little bit. Under this bitch. Through here. Don't lose it. like that. I'm just gonna leave it right there for now. Let him get all them clips in. Look at all this extra. We'll have to hide that. Clayton's doing the clip.
Yeah, I don't know why it's turned sideways. I want to turn it forward like it was like that. I want it like that.
All right. Where's that flathead? Flathead in. Pull this back. Pull this out of the way. Pull this back. Put this down in there. New wire's hard. Who would have thought? Okay, there. Now we're in. And I fucked up. Fucking didn't wire that back down. I don't know if you can see it. God damn it. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try this again. Since we just fucked with the bumper now. Move this cocksucking fucking spring down. Like that. When you take it, you put it through here. Fandangle it through there. Push this bitch up through the fucking hole. And we've got it. Now we just gotta put the fucking cocksucker back in there. How long have we not been recording? I don't even know, but we're gonna tell you, we got this on. Fuck.
I haven't even been paying attention to that motherfucker. I looked at it. That's about it.
God damn it. Well, it's
we've been putting in work.
If it wasn't recording for the fight through this shit, which I'm pretty sure it was, what's the point of me talking? It's done. God damn. Well, now we gotta check and see if it works. Oh, we're not done. Clayton, how'd you let me fucking do this, dude? We didn't even fucking put it all back together under here. I think we're good. Carpet's good. So, let's listen. That sounds like a popped hood. And it is. I did it. No more vice grip life. I think I will miss it. Psych, because I'll have a fucking pair of vice grips I can now throw out of the car. It's done. Except for this, which is laying right there. And that, which is laying right there. But we ain't really got to show that. That was it, pretty much for the fucking video. I said it in the last one that I'm not gonna say I don't know what I'm doing for the next one, because I say that every fucking time. Oh, I said in the last one how I was gonna do the sides, and I was just gonna show you after I did them. There they are. The car looks way better with just the black sidings on there, but at least I think it is. You might not, and I don't care, but they look better, all black, just like this side. I think it just helps the look way better all around. I'm gonna end the video because there ain't shit else to say other than these two big black discontinued Dodges live another day to fall apart another day, and I'm sure you'll see it. So if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you got anything to say, comment it in the comments. If you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell so you're notified when we upload. Other than that, have a good day. Thanks for supporting it. We appreciate you all. Have a good one.
Better than telling me the check's no good. Now they wanna act like I do no good.